are in Chester County, South Carolina. We're on Interstate I-77 between Charlotte and Columbia. The bridges are in dire need of repair. They called us out. We called Anderson to get their equipment. This is the only way I can fix this bridge the proper way is with a unit like this. Nobody could fix the bridge without it. Anderson equipment is very good equipment. We've used them in the past in previous projects, and if there was ever a problem, they came out immediately and took care of it. This is easier than a bucket lift. Bucket lift, you are limited to what you can do, and you don't have the mobility to move around. This unit here will extend out to where you need it, and you got room to get your tools and to move around to get the work done.
What we're doing right now, we're forming under the bridge. We're putting a plywood on the bottom, and also we're using coil rolls. We're putting washers to hold the water to not come down, and then we tighten it up. Well, we got an operator over there to put it out and in, I can say, make that job easier.
This trailer mount is very convenient. I like how it moves forward real fast, how you can steer it easy. It goes over the bridge easy. This is the only unit that will reach when you're 200 feet up in the air. It's very safe. All my guys feel safe on it. If you're doing bridge work and you can't get a wheel man lift in, this is the machine that you have to use. It's easy, it's safe, it's quick, it saves time. Time is money.
Each and every day we get on this Anderson machine, we get up and down it to work as a team and form everything up. It goes underneath the bridge, extends out to where we need to be, and works great. I would definitely recommend this machine for many companies. It works easily, you can get to and from where you gotta go, and every company should use it.